How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and welcome to an episode of SpeedTech Spotlight. In this episode, I wanted to go over some of our new dual memory products here. So we introduced our dual memory dash lights, mini light bars, and Raptor-X visor bars. So for example here, I brought a MultiColor Virtue 2 dash light, and I brought an amber clear color setup. So you'll see in my first power mode that I went ahead and have it set on a flash pattern. And again, that's a multicolor unit, so it's flashing back and forth between its primary and secondary color. And on this unit is amber clear. And then in the second mode, I actually programmed this one to be the steady burn override. And since the secondary color is clear in this unit, the steady burn override goes to all clear. So it gives you the warning versus your steady burn override clear. Now that's just one example you can do with a multicolor unit with clear in that unit. And again, we do have the dual memory in our MultiColor Virtue and our Striker TIR series as well. And then moving over here, I have our Kforce Micro 14 TIR. And then on this unit, I brought an amber unit. So you'll see on the first power mode, I have a flash pattern programmed, and it's the all on, just flashing there. And then on my second power mode, I went ahead and programmed one of our alternating flash patterns here. So you'll see that you have up to 2 flash pattern memories. So in power mode 1, I have my single flash pattern set there, and then I have my alternating flash pattern set in my power mode 2, so I can easily swap between 2 flash patterns. And again, that is our Kforce Micro 14 TIR, and we also have the dual memory on our multicolor Kforce Linear 14 and 18 mini light bars as well. And then moving over here, I went ahead and brought a multicolor Raptor-X Linear, and in this unit I brought a red, blue, amber color setup. So you'll see in my power mode 1, I went ahead and programmed a red, blue flash pattern, because in our multicolor series you will have multicolor flash patterns, and then you'll have 4 patterns in your primary color and 4 patterns in your secondary color. So again, here is a red, blue, amber unit, so I went ahead and programmed a red, blue pattern, which is my primary color. And then my secondary mode, I went ahead and programmed my secondary color, or secondary color flash pattern here, in amber, so I can easily swap between red, blue, or amber, so I can run for 2 different applications. And again, we do offer our multicolor bars in amber, red, blue, green, and clear multicolor. And again, that is our multicolor Raptor-X Linear. So you'll see from our visor bars to our new mini light bars and our new dash lights and all of our Cig-Plug control items that you can do dual memory on those 2 power modes. So you'll see that you have plenty of flexibility. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.